Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the DEWALT 20V Max Shop Vacuum Wet and Dry, a versatile 2-gallon vacuum that can be used both corded and cordless. Whether you're cleaning up after a DIY project or handling wet messes in tight spaces, this compact shop vac promises to make your cleanup faster and easier. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's break it down and see how it performs in real-world conditions. The DEWALT 20V Max Shop Vacuum offers both corded and cordless operation, giving you flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. The 20V Max battery provides a solid runtime for cordless operation, while the option to plug it in means you don't have to worry about battery life for longer tasks. It's equipped with a 2-gallon tank, which may sound small, but it's just right for handling smaller jobs around the house or workshop. That tank can easily hold enough for projects like emptying a clogged pipe or cleaning up a toilet overflow, which makes it more than capable for specific cleanup tasks. One standout feature is the Hepa filter, which ensures that fine dust and debris are captured, making it a solid option for those concerned about allergens or just needing a high-quality filtration system. The washable and reusable filter makes maintenance simple. When it comes to storage, the vacuum is designed with onboard accessory storage, allowing you to keep your hose and tools neatly tucked away for easy transport and quick access. At just 5 pounds, it's easy to move around, even for extended cleaning sessions, and the 5-foot flexible hose is long enough to reach tight spaces without too much strain. In terms of real-world usage, I tested the DEWALT 20V Max Shop Vacuum on various surfaces, and it did a solid job on both wet and dry messes. Whether cleaning dust from workshop surfaces or sucking up spilled liquids, this vacuum handled it well. On hard floors, it picked up fine dust and larger debris without a hitch. It's a reliable option for quick cleanup in a home or garage setting. When it comes to carpets, it's not the most powerful option, but it does manage basic cleaning well enough for smaller areas or low-pile rugs. The 5-foot hose is flexible enough to reach under furniture or in tight corners, making it easy to maneuver around furniture or even cleaning out your car. I also found the hose sturdy and durable, even when handling wet messes. It does an excellent job of preventing clogs, and the vacuum's suction performance stays consistent across various messes. However, it might struggle a bit with large or heavy debris, but for everyday cleanup tasks, it's more than enough. As for the noise level, it's not exactly whisper quiet, but it's definitely quieter than many larger vacuums in the same category. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ability to switch between cordless and corded use is incredibly convenient, especially if you're working in a large area or need the flexibility to move between tasks. The vacuum's compact design and ease of transport make it perfect for quick, easy cleanups. The onboard accessory storage is another feature that I love. No more lost attachments. Plus, the washable Hepa filter ensures your air stays clean while you're vacuuming. On the downside, the 2-gallon capacity might feel a bit limiting if you're tackling large-scale messes or need to clean up after a big renovation project. It's definitely best suited for smaller jobs or as a secondary vacuum for more specific tasks. While the hose is flexible, it could be a bit longer to offer even more maneuverability, especially in larger spaces. So, how does it compare to other options in its category? There are plenty of wet-dry vacs out there, but the DEWALT stands out for its dual power option, compact design, and heavy-duty build. If you're comparing it to models like the Black Decker 20V Max Wet-Dry handheld vacuum, the DEWALT gives you more flexibility with its corded option, and the Hepa filter makes it a more allergen-friendly choice. However, for something like the rigid 12-gallon model, you're getting more storage and suction power, but it comes with a heavier, bulkier design. The DEWALT is best for those who need something compact and portable for quick jobs, whereas the larger models are better for larger, messier tasks. When it comes to value for money, the DEWALT 20V Max Shop Vacuum fits right in the mid-range price point for wet-dry vacuums. It offers great versatility and reliable performance for smaller tasks, making it a good investment for anyone with a smaller home, workshop, or garage. It's durable, easy to maintain, and does an excellent job at handling wet and dry messes. The battery life is decent for a cordless vacuum, and the option to plug it in when needed ensures you don't have to worry about running out of juice mid-task. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleaning for larger areas or bigger messes, you might want to look into larger models with more storage and stronger suction power. As for build quality, DEWALT is known for its durability, and this vacuum doesn't disappoint. The materials feel sturdy and it holds up well during use. The hose is flexible and robust, and the vacuum body itself is solid without feeling too heavy. There's minimal wear and tear with regular use, and the filter is easy to maintain, though you'll need to clean it periodically to keep the suction strong. The accessories are simple to store on board, and assembly is quick and intuitive. For customer support, DEWALT generally has a good reputation, and with their warranties, you should feel confident that any issues will be handled well. The vacuum is covered under a 3-year limited warranty, which should cover most basic issues, but it's worth noting that this vacuum is built with durability in mind. To wrap up, the DEWALT 20V Max Shop Vacuum Wet and Dry is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable, compact vacuum for smaller tasks. Its ability to switch between cordless and corded operation, along with its excellent filtration system and portability, make it a great option for homes, garages, and workshops. If you're someone who needs a vacuum for light messes, pet hair, or quick cleanups, this vacuum is a great fit. However, if you're working with larger debris or need something with more capacity, you might want to look at a larger option. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. If you've already tried it, let us know your thoughts, or if you have any questions about how it performs, feel free to ask. Until next time, keep your spaces clean, and remember, here at Reviewsinside.tv, we've got the tools to help you make the best choices for your home and your life.